today we'll be covering on the topic of piezoelectricity, which is actually the generation of electricity by using pressure. In more scientific terms, it's actually mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. So basically, how do you produce voltage? So it's actually compressing crystals of certain substances, such as like quartz, Rochelle salts, and tourmaline. So some basic daily applications of piezoelectricity will actually be spark lighters in gas stove or electric lighters, or actually kid shoes with light. So basically, how does kid shoe with light works is actually there's a piezoelectric sensor at the heel of the shoe, which when the kids step on the shoe, it will produce voltage, and where the voltage will be supplied to the LED, which will cause the shoe to light up. So for now, we'll be going through a simple experiment where we use a piezoelectric sensor connected to the DMM to show the voltage produced by using pressure.
Piezo sensor, primarily converting pressure force to voltage. Multimeter, allow us to check the voltage value and testing. As the pressure force is applied, there is a voltage being created. Once there is no more force acting on the sensor, there will not be any voltage flowing through the wire. LED acts as a load as well as an indicator. The LED light up by using the pressure force onto the piezo sensor. Diode, to rectify the output of the piezo, converting AC to DC digital signal. Capacitor, device to store electric charges. Capacitor being charged up as pressure is applied on the piezo sensor.
Sure, like that, you press harder, got more voltage.
Answer to that question, right? Actually, the voltage produced is actually directly proportionate to the impact velocity, which means, right, if there's more force applied on a piezoelectric sensor, there'll be more voltage produced.
So is it possible to create AC voltage?
So if the crystals is being stressed with a vibratory motion, it can produce a AC source. So for this case, right, when the crystals is being compressed, the electron is actually flowing in a anti-clockwise motion. And in the same scenario, when the crystals is being decompressed, the electrons will be flowing in a clockwise motion, which will then produce an AC waveform, which will actually look like this.